This right here is a withdrawal from the secret website. As you can see, this is another payment, $10, $10, $10. This is a withdrawal to PayPal. So I'm going to show you in this secret website how you can already start. If you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be revealing this secret website to you, and also going to be showing you how you can make money from this website, different ways to make money from it, type of document that you can upload to get paid, and also how to upload them. And lastly, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw through your Payoneer or any other method. So first of all, the ways you can earn is by becoming a mentor or through selling documents. Now if you decide you want to sell documents on this website, they will be paying you $10 for each document. So first of all, to register, you use the link in the comment section and it will bring you to this page. Okay, so you click on menu and it's going to bring you a drop down menu for you. Now you click on sign up. Okay, and you proceed to register your account. Input your email, your username and your password, and next step you click on create an account. So I'm going to quickly fill in all my details to register my account. Now once you are done registering, they're going to send you a verification link to your email. You click on that link, so you go to your email, go back to your email. Now as you can see, this is the email. You click on verify. So you allow it to load a bit, Now once you are here, you quickly go to their terms of services. Okay, you scroll down, and once you are done reading it, you click on this checkbox and then you click on I agree. The next step, you fill in your school you attended, and then it's not like a university that you attended actually. So next you put in you can upload an image if you want any image, but it's totally not compulsory. Okay, so I'm just gonna fill in my school details and then next you click on continue. Then it's going to bring you to this page. As you can see, you just have to go through it. This is the second step of the registration. You just have to go through all of this, scroll all the way down, then you click on continue. Now once you are here, also you do the same thing, scroll down and click on done. Now once you are in this interface, this is the type of documents that you can upload. You can take a quick look at them. Alright, so for the sake of this video I won't be doing that. And you click on done. It's gonna bring you to your home page, and that's the last step, and you've automatically registered. Now let me show you how to upload documents. So you go to Google, you search for PDF to go. The first option there, you click on it. Now this is for those that don't have their files in PDF format. Okay, if you don't have your files in PDF format already, you can convert it to PDF format on this website. You just have to go to the menu. Once you go to the menu, it's going to bring a drop down menu for you, and you quickly sign up. Once you've signed up, you quickly log into your account. Now you can sign up using your Google or Microsoft account or your Apple ID. You can as well sign up using your email and password. You click on I accept the terms and the privacy policy. Then you click on sign up, whichever option suits you. So I'm gonna quickly register right now, and then I'll be back. After you're done registering your account, you wanna go to the menu once again. It's going to bring this drop down for you. Now you have to scroll down and look for convert to PDF. As you can see right there, convert to PDF is the first option. You can use this to convert any files that you have at all. You click on convert to PDF. Next, you want to upload the document that you have. You want to upload the document, even if it's images of the notes that you took when you were in school. You can snap images of the notes, upload it here, and it's going to convert them to PDF formats for you. Now the secret website that I'm talking about, how they pay you in it is that whenever someone comes to their website to look for a certain topic that they're interested in, look for a certain PDF file or document, whenever someone is interested in that type of document that you upload, if someone reviews the document and pays for it, you're going to be getting $10 per view on that document. Now once you get to here, you want to click on upload and select the document that you want to upload. Okay, then you click on start and wait for it to load for a bit. Now this is part of the upload process. Don't click on anything, just allow it to load. After it's done processing your document, it should be available for you to download it. So you can download it and get back to this website. Now once you're on the website, you want to go to this place where it says upload more files. Then you select the PDF file that you downloaded rather. It will be under your downloads, but for me I already have it in PDF format, so I'm just gonna upload my document. Now after uploading, they're going to bring up a certain instruction for you to follow, so you just have to scroll down click on I understand, and then you click on confirm. Once it's done uploading your documents, you can click on OK. Now if you want to get to this page, you don't know how to get to this upload pages, you quickly go to your menu. Once you're in your menu, you look for sell documents, and it's going to bring you to this page that we are in right now. The next step, you want to click on OK. You go through this. You see this is a message that confirms we recently received your documents, and that we typically take 2 to 48 hours to process and review documents. Okay, you can see it under here as documents pending. So whenever it's pending, you allow it for some hours, and then probably 2 to 48 hours depending on the type of documents and number of pages, and then it's going to show as completed, and you have a notification. They're going to send you a notification message in your dashboard. Alternatively, you can also come back to this page right here. Now the minimum threshold is $50, and I'm going to charge you some fees. I'm going to be showing you that in a bit, how to withdraw. To withdraw, you click on menu. Then you click on my balance. Now this is a new account I opened for this tutorial, so I don't have any funds in it yet. So there are varieties of payment methods that you can use to withdraw whenever you want to withdraw. So you click on withdraw. As you can see right there, the withdraw button, you click on it. You can see the different payment methods: Payoneer, PayPal, Wise, Western Union, Check, which is physical check. You can see the minimum withdrawal as well, $50, which I mentioned earlier. Now it's very easy for you to get to that $50 threshold. It's very easy. All you need to do is just have like 5 to view your documents, and that's it. Now these are the fees that I charge for each of the payment methods. You can find them there. For Payoneer, we have a $3 flat fee for Payoneer, and then for PayPal they are going to deduct about 3.5%. You can select any payment method at all for Payoneer or PayPal. If you want me to make tutorials on how to create those accounts, let me know in the comment section, and any question you have as well, I'll be available to you in the comments to answer all your questions. Now, in case you are joining us for the first time, this is Legit Earnings. We share how to make money online and how to trade crypto. So make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so when I drop a new video like this, you'll be notified.